Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Our guest is issues to verify a 1xBet account. If that, so then this video might help you out without further ado. Let's get started to verify your account. You need to open up your 1xBet account to do so. Just open up your browser on your mobile or laptop devices once you open the browser. Now search for 1xBet once you enter the 1xBet website. Log in into your account with your registered email and password after you get logged in now. Click on your profile icon, which you can see over here. Click on it. Once you click on it, users need to fill up all these details. You need to add your phone number. If you don't know how to add phone number, make sure to check out our guide and how to add phone number on it. You need to fill up all the personal info, your name, your sole name, data board, document, numbers, document issue, and each and everything. You just need to fill up all these details and just simply click on Save. Once you fill up all these details, your account will be verified, and that's how we're going to verify your 1xBet account. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.